Try to solve it yourself. Now let's first draw fx with the given range. If we draw it, it will be drawn like this. Now what is the meaning of gx? Gx is the meaning of average rate of change that starts from 1.1 and in the end of fx. So the slope of this, and this are the meaning of gx. Now let's try to solve the true or false questions. Question A. G4 is greater than G5. Now let's draw 4 and 5 in it and see how it goes. Let's look at the slope of it. If we compare G5 and G4 slope, you know that the G5's slope is greater than G4. So A is not correct, so A is false. Now let's look at the next one. B. G2 is less than f'2. If we draw G2, it will be drawn like this, and f'2 will be drawn like this. Because f'2 is equal to 0 and G2 is less than 0, f'2 is greater than G2. So B is true. Now let's look at C. G3 is less than f'3. G3 will be drawn like this, and f'3 will be drawn like this. Because G3 is 0 and f'3 is greater than 0, f'3 will be greater than G3. C is correct. Now let's look at D. G5 will be drawn like this, and f'5 will be drawn like this. As you can see from B and C, D's answer might be similar, but let's try to solve it. If we put in the numbers, it will be shown like this. G5 will be shown like this, and it will be 9 minus 1 out of 4, which is 2. If we solve for f'x, it will be shown like this, and if we put 5 in it, it will be 6, which is greater than 2. So f'5 is greater than G5, which means D is correct. So the answer will be D is true. So A is false, B is true, C is true, and D is true.